Happy submission day, Novel90 Spring folks. It is good to be here with you guys. Today we are going to walk you step by step through how to submit your Novel90 Spring 2026 form for completion. Now we're going to go ahead and open AutoCrit to get started with this. If you would like to follow along, I'll give you just a second to pull up your AutoCrit account. Every single Novel90 participant who registered through the AutoCrit site was given free access, so this is the time to use it. You do not have to pay a dime to do this. Just go ahead and log in and then go to the main dashboard, which is what we are on here. Once you are inside your dashboard, look at the top where it says Quick Start, and you'll see this See All Files button in yellow. Go ahead and click that file. That is going to load your writer's desk. Now for the challenge, we have loaded a file that every single one of you should have. This is the challenges file on the left-hand toolbar. Go ahead and click that file, and you will see the required Novel90 template here. So first you're going to click on the file on the left, and then you're going to click on the file right here. If you do not see this file for some reason, or this folder for some reason, there is a help bubble in the bottom right corner of AutoCrit that you can click, and you can also reach out to us at any other stage in this step-by-step for help. What you could do as a quick start, though, is make sure that you are using Google Chrome if at all possible. Firefox is a second bet. Make sure that you don't have pop-up blockers turned on and that you have recently cleared your browser's cache in the cache settings. That should unlock anything that is not showing. But the team is here for you if you need us. So we're going to go ahead and click on Submission Template, and you will see a template here. Do not do anything yet. Do not close this out. If you close this out, exit the file and come back in again so that it will reopen. You need to do a save as, because otherwise this template is just a practice template and it will not save. Let's go ahead and give it a name. So I'm going to put this into my Novel90 project folder, and I'm going to title it Novel90 Submission Spring 2026 Catherine D. Graham, KDG. And I'm going to click the Save button. This will then open an editable version of this file where my changes will actually stay. Everything that we want from you for this challenge needs to go onto this file before you submit it. Do not submit it until it is 100% done. You cannot edit it later, and you cannot submit more than one. So read the instructions. You'll see them all detailed out here. Just as a friendly reminder, we do not want your full novel. If you send us your full novel instead of filling out this form, you will be disqualified, and we don't want anybody being disqualified. This is an honor system based free challenge. We are not going to read or judge or provide feedback on your novel in any capacity. So all of these submission guidelines that we have been giving you since the kickoff of the challenge, like the word count and the fact it can be any genre, and all of that is down below. So go ahead and take a moment to read through those guidelines here. The main prize is going to be for our finisher circle. And to do a finisher circle submission, you are going to fill out everything in these spots here, from the name to your pen name, all the way down to this section. So name, pen name, your email address, it needs to be the same one you're logged in with on AutoCrit. What team you are. Note that you do not get double entries. Please only choose one team. I'm going to type that out here just so everybody has it. Choose one team only. Choosing more than one team will not get you additional entries. You will still only get one. In order to qualify for this challenge, you did have to complete the entire first draft, beginning to end, but not fully edit it. So let us know which one you are. Did you complete the first draft only? Did you complete it and edit it, or is it still in progress? Give us the title, the genre, the final word count. If it's for sale, go ahead and give us the link. If it is being queried, feel free to drop your query letter, and that is what we asked for. Now, grand prize people, if you would like a chance to earn the optional grand prize, that is an add-on for people who've gone above and beyond. They finished the entire first draft. They did a full edit with developmental, line, copy editing, and proofreading. The book is available for pre-order or sale or download as a lead magnet, or you are actively querying and have a query letter that you can send us for that. You could go ahead and also fill out the final 2 or 3 fields here on this side. So the top portion is for the main finisher circle. The bottom portion is for grand prize only. You would need to paste your blurb. That is your back cover blurb. A blurb should be 100 words or less, the industry standard. Your first 3 pages of your manuscript should be 750 words or less, the industry standard 250 words per page. And then if you have the social media link you'll be wanting to promote, if you're chosen as the winner for grand prize for your team, this is where that would go. So again, you do not have to have the book for pre-order or for sale or querying if you're just doing regular grand prize, regular finisher circle. Grand prize is the one that needs the book fully written, fully edited, and everything else. So I'm going to type this up here on the top, so hopefully everybody watching. Finisher circle is the main level, and it only needs a first draft. It does not need editing. It does not need sale links. It does not need query letters. Grand prize down at the bottom is the one that needs everything else. If you have questions, again, one last time, there is this help bubble down here. Filling out this form does not submit it for you. This is just filling it out. When you're ready to submit, click the Save button on the right-hand toolbar right here. And you should see a button that says Submissions that you can click on next here. So first, click on the right. Second, click Submissions here. This will then give you a pop-up showing your submission option for Novel90. This is obviously not homework for one of our courses, so please do not check mark the boxes by those courses. This is also not destination unknown. Don't accidentally submit it to the wrong challenge. This is Novel90. And because we are worldwide, we have time zones all over the place. Instead of making you figure out the time zones where you are, we have put a countdown timer that is active and current right now for everybody. We have 3 days, 8 hours, and 49 minutes from the time I'm recording this. It will be less than that when you're watching this. That is how much time you have left. Please don't wait till the last minute. We don't want anybody missing out because the wireless didn't hold up in order for you to submit, or power went out, or insert other calamity, and we will not be able to make exceptions for you and accept this form any other way. You can't email it to us or anything like that. So please be sure to give yourself plenty of time. You have until May 4th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to send this. So please have it in, ideally May 3rd, May 4th in the afternoon. And remember that no work you do after May 1st will count toward this challenge. So if you have the book finished in the first draft, don't kill yourself to rush through an edit that really needs a proper couple weeks to get done just to try to submit it. It wouldn't count anyway if the edits weren't done before today. You are out of time, so just go ahead and fill it out for where you are and be proud of your accomplishments because we're proud of you too. You are not a failure if you make it to the main finisher circle. It's a huge win, and I hope that you'll celebrate it for what it is. So one last time, you put in all of your information. When the form is completely ready to go, you hit the Save button, then the Submission button, and then the check mark. Now, once you hit that check mark, In the top right corner, you'll see this little pop-up, unless you have pop-up blockers turned on, that says your submission was received. But what do you do if you looked away and missed it, or you didn't see the pop-up at all? Well, in that case, you are going to want to check to make sure it went through. Go ahead and hit the save button again and click submissions again. And what you'll see is Novel90 is now grayed out because I've submitted it. I can't submit it again. I can't submit a revised version. It's done. And you can all breathe and hooray, celebrate because we did it. But yes, this is confirmation. If this box is checked and cannot be clicked, you do not have to chat in with us for confirmation because we have received it. If it is not checked and you come in and it's just still open and you can check it again, then maybe reach out to us. But otherwise, if you click it and then you come back and double check and it's grayed out and it has the check mark, unlike these boxes at the top, which are blank, then you are fine. So we don't want it to be a blank box. We want it to be a check marked filled in box. I'm wishing you all the absolute best of luck. And while we're here, don't forget to go ahead and sign up for the free Summer Novel90 Challenge to come plan and write and edit with us in the summer. I'll drop the link in the description box. Take care, everyone. Best of luck.